Da, 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 da.
Pretty. Guys, I am just on my way out. Today we are having a baby shower for my friend Amanda. A surprise shower. Like, she has no idea we're planning this. So we have a WhatsApp group. We contributed money to plan the shower for her. We even made her sister take her somewhere so that we could set up in her house for the shower. I'm just leaving the house right now and I'm so excited because she has no idea. Mia Rose is a kiss. Anyway, I'm leaving the house right now. Let's go and surprise Amanda. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Character.
You're gone now. Will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
She's here, guys.
And she'll be skinny though. There's nothing in those too.
Like, she's here.
Was the baby out? I need to get a little, someone else is gonna come here, right? See her very small tummies. Yeah.
The girls started going back to school. The girls.
Such an African mother. She'll put it on.
Hold on. I don't know what she's doing. She's like, what is going on in my house? Amanda's baby shower. Whatever.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
I know.
Wait, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you sit.
Duduke? Duduke? You like it?
You travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Let me make the size of the baby.
One macaron, one.
But this is the size of the balloon baby, right? We have to blow the balloon to this size or bigger. Put pampers on your baby and draw your baby. So make sure your baby is fine.
Yeah.
Because without any ugly baby will lose as well.
Don't make ugly babies.
Talk. So we blow the balloons up to the baby to this size, put the pampers on and draw the face, and the first person to win gets pop pop.
Get set. Go. Go. Yeah, this is the size right here. Yes, so yeah. Where the papas? Where the papas? That baby is too small. That baby is too small. Ah no, that's not the size.
It's a newborn baby now. See the diaper. It's the size of the diaper that you use. That's why I'm diet. Hey, I won.
Draw the face of your baby.
Oh wow.
Hey.
Don't cheating. Don't cheating. Hey.
Yeah, we have a winner. Wow, this is your diaper today. We have a winner. That's your prize. 1-1 each.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're making me look like.
Hi.
Mother.
Rocking baby.
Rocking baby.
Igbo woman.
Sleepless nights. On the treetop.
Swaying mommy. Sleeping mommy.
All right.
And she's right, then you say it's one.
It's not finished now.
Rockabye baby.
Baby, sleep.
Ah.
Sounds like
Pumping.
breastfeeding.
Double breast pump.
Pumping.
Expressing milk.
Milk pumping.
Pumping milk.
Pumping.
Yeah.
Baby.
One baby. Giving the baby away.
Babysitting. Babysitting. Stay still.
Cuddly, Rocky,
Help me hold my baby.
Nanny,
Who's right?
Babysitter.
Carry my baby.
Hey.
Baby baby.
Running baby home. Rock bread. Chicken.
Triple. Oh, 3. Yeah, 3. Yeah. 1.
Cushion.
Lego room, Lego.
Pregnancy test. Yes.
That was like, huh? Baby bomb.
Pregnancy.
Labor. Water breaking. Swaddle. Swaddling. Baby swaddler. Yeah, swaddling. Feeding bottle. Baby.
Baby
Baby
drinking.
sucking.
Baby hungry.
Baby. Calm down. Baby.
Baby. Bottle. Baby bottle. Epidural.
Postpartum.
Cravings, pregnancy cravings.
Pregnancy cravings.
What baby? Born.
Born in the oven.
Okay.
2 words.
Dirty diaper.
Dirty diaper.
2 words.
Baby.
Feeding your baby. Baby.
Teething.
Teething.
Breast. Pump.
Breast pump. We speak 2 words. Swollen feet. Swollen legs. Swollen ankles.
You don't want to taste your.
You have to taste it. Baby has poo poo do. It's your baby, you have to know.
Poo looks so sumptuous.
What of this is? You know what? Write the answer. Number 1, just write the answer. Why is you hot? That's the point.
They said it, Amanda. Yeah. Jesus is Lord.
How old is the mommy to be? Write your answer. Where did mommy grow up?
I'm just answer.
Yeah, no, write in your paper.
Any answer that one I'll answer, right?
Only one answer. What is mommy's shoe size?
Yeah, that's serious.
I don't think you know that.
What is mommy's shoe size? What is mommy's favorite color? If she has any. If it's none, write none. How many siblings does mommy have?
Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
So hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. I'm just currently editing this baby shower vlog, and yeah guys, we had an amazing time. We're not many, as you could tell from the video, from the clips. We're not many, but the few that we were, we had so much fun. We played a lot of games and just laughed and had a good time. Amanda was pleasantly surprised, like we really surprised her. She was not expecting it at all, as in at all. She was so happy. She didn't want us to go. She legit wanted us to have like an overnight sleepover baby shower kind of thing, and I'm like, girl, we didn't all plan for that, okay? But we had a blast, and I'm just happy that she was happy. And yeah, if you're watching this, darling, I wish you a very safe journey for the rest of the way, and a very safe delivery when the time comes. Know that I love you long time, girl, okay? With that guys, I will just end today's vlog. Today's vlog was basically about the baby shower and all. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.